அனைவருக்கும் வணக்கம். Today, many of the economic students are have a doubt why we have to study mathematics, mathematical methods, or mathematical economics for the course economics. To clarify, I register this video. Before discussing why we are studying mathematical methods, why the economic students are studying mathematical methods, we have to remind the basics of the economic theories. So, economics is the study of mankind. Mankind is the psychological study which is studying about the changes. Economics is also studying the changes and mankind. Many of the economic concepts are studying the relationship between different variables. Say for example, demand. Demand is related with price. So we are all know about the demand function. Demand is the function of price. So let we have a clarification law of demand. When other things remain in chain, there is negative relationship between price and quantity demanded. Likewise, many economic theories have studying the relationship between different variables. Supply, say for supply, is the relationship between price. Revenue is the relationship between a price. Consumption related with income. Profit is related with sales. So likewise, many of the basic economic concepts are related with different variables. Now I am in the picture, I highlighted the term relationship. So we can think about why I am highlighting the term relationship. So we can discuss this later after discussing the concept mathematics. So now we can try to understand the mathematics, the subject mathematics. In the subject mathematics also studies the relationship between numbers. So we can take it as variables, the relationship between variables. Relationship means in economics, in mathematics, relationships are studying the in the mathematical term functions. So it is clear in mathematics also studying the relationship. Now we can compare. Economics also studying the relationship between variables. Mathematics also studying the relationship between variables. So there is correlation between the concepts economics and mathematics. Both are related while discussing the relationship between variables. So the economists are using mathematics to learn economics in easy way. So we are all know about the economic theories. It is a subject which discuss vast number of theories are have. We have huge theories. So it is difficult to memorize the theories, difficult to remain the theories. But when we remember, memorize the theories in mathematical notation, it is easy to study economic theories using mathematical terms. Let me have an example from economics. Consider law of demand. Demand function discussing the relationship between price and quantity demanded. The law of demand says when other things remaining unchanged, there is a negative relationship between price and quantity demanded. In the theory, we have to note two terms. One is negative. Negative is the term using mathematics. And also relationship is also the term used in mathematics. In another way, it can be termed as functions. So now we can write the above theoretical statement in a simplest way using mathematical notation, that is D is equal to F of P, that is demand is the function of price. So now it is easy to memorize the demand function using mathematical term. Likewise, most of the, we can say all the economic theories can be memorized using mathematical terms. It can be easy to remember, it can be easy to rewrite. So theories can be memorized in mathematical term is easy to recall. Hence, mathematics is the most useful subject, most relevant subject in the study of economic theories. So I request all the economic students should not hesitate to study mathematical methods, mathematical economics in the course of economic degrees, because mathematics simplifies the economic theories in easiest way and understandable form. Thank you.